And guys, I know I already tested out the MagSafe, but I just have to do this. I have to put the MagSafe on the teddy bear for this one, so that's kind of funny. You know, we cover him up, and it's like the teddy bear's getting charged right there. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this huge box right here from Casetify of their different cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, before I start doing that, I do have to give a huge thank you to Casetify, though, for sending me all these cases for free in order to make this video about them. So, thank you very much, Casetify. And they also gave me a link, casetify.com/warenotice, that you can use as a promo code to get 15% off your order from their website. So, also thank you for that. But anyway, folks, without further ado, let's start getting this box open. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. And I've got to say, as always, I love the presentation here with this Casetify wrapping paper. It kind of feels like Christmas, like I got a huge present here. And it's so packed to the brim with iPhone 14 Pro Max accessories that the wrapping paper right here actually ripped already. So should make it nice and easy to unbox. But anyway, I'm going to start doing just that. Enough talking about the wrapping paper. And wow, again, guys, look at this beautiful presentation. It's got bows and everything, super clean white boxes, and let me get all this wrapping paper out of the way. This is huge! So I guess I'll go with the little box first. We can unwrap this bow right here, and let's see what is inside. So it looks like in here we've got some cases. Oh yeah, yes we do. Wow, these are cool. Look at this dragon design. That's nice. We can grab these two cases and let's put them to the side and now see what's in the bigger box. So we can go ahead and pull this bow and open it up. Let's see, let's see. I bet we got a lot more cases in here. The moment of truth, folks. Oh yeah, that is a lot of cases. So right here we got some protect your tech stuff. Okay, right here is a strap card. We can put this to the side. We got tempered glass screen protector for the 14 Pro Max. We can come over here and let's check out the stars of the show, the cases. So wow, we got a ton of these. We got another little protect your tech thing right here, lens protector. We've got, what is in here? Ooh, a sling. Well, let's see. I wonder what a sling is, okay? I bet it's like some sort of, wow. So maybe this is so I can like wear the phone around my neck, I think? Maybe? I don't know. And let's look at all these cases. So right here, we've got this cool pixelated teddy bear. We've got this pretty artwork flowers case. We've got this sea turtle case. This one looks really nice. We've got this little puppy and coffee case. I love coffee, so this definitely suits me. And lastly, wow, look at this one. It's a case that says Shane on it. That is my name, so that's pretty cool. So folks, where do I even begin? This is a lot of cases. Let me speed run through taking these all out of the boxes and let's put them on my iPhone. So now folks, I have all these cases out of their respective boxes, so they look pretty cool, but first thing I'm going to actually take a look at right here is this screen protector, because I actually don't put a screen protector directly on my iPhone screen because I just prefer seeing the screen itself. So we're just going to take a quick look at this just because they sent it, but I'm not going to put it on my iPhone. But here it is. It feels, you know, pretty solid. And here is the actual sheath it comes in. Over here, we also have a camera lens protector. Same thing. I'm not going to put this on my iPhone, but you can clearly see how that works right there. We also got these cleansing wipes right here and a microfiber cloth that came in the little camera protector pouch. And over here, I figured out how to use this strap thing. You use this piece and you actually put it inside your case like that. So we can play around with that actually when we start putting the cases on my phone, which, you know what, let's start doing that. So I think I'll pick this case first. So it looks like we put this through the bottom, if I'm looking at that right, which I think I am. And then we can go ahead and put my iPhone in here. And let me actually try again because this thing moved around. So maybe if I hold this down right here, then it'll probably work better. Okay, so hold this in and then plop this in, okay? And then, oh yeah, voila, we can mute the phone once more. And now we have this little strap right here. So let's see what happens. How do we put this on? So it looks like next I just clip this piece on like this, and then I should now be able to wear my phone around my neck. So, oh yeah, check this out, guys. Can you see it? That's kind of cool. So I've got an iPhone necklace. Or maybe it's an iPhone tie, because you know, my tie also hangs down like this, and this could be really good for someone who maybe doesn't have pockets to put their phone in, because this is just another way to carry it. And I wonder if you can also probably put it over your shoulder. So let's see if I can do that. So the answer is yes, I can, because look, now it's on my shoulder and it's dangling right here. So yeah, this is definitely an interesting contraption right here, and it looks like it would work with any of Casetify's cases I've got right here, so that's pretty cool. But now, anyway, folks, let's get my iPhone out of this case and move on to the next one. So let's go ahead and do this sea turtle case next, because this is definitely a design I'm a fan of. They've given me this design in the past too, for either the 12 Pro Max or 13 Pro Max, or maybe both. I can't even remember which one, but yeah, this looks super cool, especially with the deep purple color on my iPhone, because as you can see, it's clear all around the turtle. So I think this looks really good. And as you can see, all these cases actually have MagSafe built in, because you can see the MagSafe magnets. So if we go ahead and slap my Apple MagSafe battery pack on, you'll see that yes, it does indeed charge up my iPhone. And same thing, if you want to use, for example, Apple's MagSafe charging puck, you can also slap that on here, and indeed it does charge my iPhone wirelessly. Next, folks, we got to check out this case right here. I think this is also a very cool design, because it's got all these nice looking dragons, and it's also a purple case, which makes, you know, perfect sense having the deep purple iPhone 14. As you can tell, also all these cases have the word Casetify around the lenses. That's a great way to tell if you've got a Casetify case. Very iconic design right there. They've also got, you know, volume buttons over here, nice and clicky. Above that, they've got a mute switch cut out, so you can mute and unmute your phone and see the dynamic island, you know, tell you that you just did that, because this is a 14 Pro Max. Over here, we got a side button, also nice and clicky. On the bottom, we got lightning port cutouts and speaker grill cutouts as well. And lastly, folks, right here on the side of the phone, it says this case is made from recycled phone cases. But anyway, let's go to the next design. So now this one is that funny one. This is the cute little puppy right here with a bunch of coffees. So we've got some iced coffee, we've got some hot coffee, we've got some, this sort of looks like a Starbucks Frappuccino right here. This one looks like, you know, an iced latte. We got the caramel on top. I really like caramel iced lattes, so that one looks pretty cool to me. And I also love how there are little puppy dog paw prints on the coffee cups. It's like it's a puppy dog chain of coffee stores. So I think this is a really creative and cute design right here. I really like it, and I also like how between all the different coffee cups and the dog is clear, so I can still see the beautiful deep purple of my iPhone. And also look at this one right here. We've got one of those little coffees where they make a sort of design in the cream, so it's got a heart. So yeah, this is just a super cute case. I think this is really cool. Now this next case design right here is sort of like a retro arcade with all this pink and purple all over it. As you can see right here, it says game over. This one says play. And yeah, if you're big into gaming, this could be a good design for you. But I also think the color scheme on this, the pink and purple, goes well with the deep purple of my iPhone right here. And another detail too of this design that I'm just noticing is if you look out these windows, it's a night sky with stars and clouds and the moon. So that's some pretty cool attention to detail right there. But now folks, before we move on to looking at the last two cases, I do have to point something out, that these are actually different models of cases. So as you might have noticed, these two are special because these are the Ultra Impact cases for the 14 Pro Max, whereas all the others are just the regular impact cases. So the difference is the Ultra Impact cases have these raised corners to add extra protection, and specifically Casetify says that these cases, the Ultra Impact, have up to 11.5 feet of drop protection, whereas the other cases, so the regular impact cases, these 5 right here, have up to 8.2 feet of drop protection. But now folks, don't you worry, we are ready to see this case design right here. As you can see, this is the Shane one. I think that's super duper cool that Casetify can custom print words on your cases for you. So like this one has my name. I will say my name does look slightly off center, maybe? Yeah, I think it does, so that's kind of annoying, but besides that, the name Shane is super cool, and once again, I love the clearness, so I can see the deep purple. And I will point out too, all these cases do have a raised lip around the screen, so in theory, if you put your phone down on a flat surface with the case on, the screen should not be touching that surface. And also, of course, the Casetify writing around the cameras does function as, you know, a raised area around the cameras as well. But anyway, let's move on to the last design, this teddy bear. And I will say, just because I'm so rapidly, you know, switching between all these cases, taking them on and putting them off. It is a bit hard to take them off. I mean, it's definitely doable, but you do have to apply, some bit of force right there. And here, folks, last but not least, we've got the pixelated teddy bear design. I think this is just super cute because I love this shade of blue, love the teddy bear, and it's kind of funny over here. It says original because, I personally am original, so I kind of like that it says that. And yeah, again, gotta say, love the clear around the design. I think that is super awesome. So you can, once again, see the color of the iPhone. Also, too, I will point out that these raised corners on the Ultra Impact cases do feel quite sturdy. Like, they definitely feel hard right here. And you can also see they've got some ridges, some bumps on them too. So they've got a good bit of grippiness. Like when I'm holding it with the corners touching my hand, this case does feel, grippier because, the sides and the back are on the slippery side, so those raised corners definitely help with that. And guys, I know I already tested out the MagSafe, but I just have to do this. I have to put the MagSafe on the teddy bear for this one, so that's kind of funny. We cover him up, and it's like the teddy bear's getting charged right there. So I just thought that was, kind of an interesting part of the design, and now he's coming out to play, but now he's going back into hiding right there and charging up. So I guess he's hibernating, right? Because bears hibernate. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about these Casetify Impact and Ultra Impact cases for none other than my beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So if you want these cases for yourself, the Ultra Impact ones will set you back about $92, whereas the regular Impact ones will set you back about $82. So they are on the more expensive side, but once again, feel free to use that link, casetify.com/Warenotice, to get 15% off your order. And definitely be sure to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these cases. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you have them for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are shopping around for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 14 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.